ManilaBlock is a dry stacking interlocking building block and is a direct replacement to the common hollow block. On top of the ManilaBlock are the male construction joints. On the bottom of the ManilaBlock are the female construction joints. On every ManilaBlock, manufacturing details can be found inside the female construction joint, area code, where the ManilaBlocks was manufactured, factory name, identity of the manufacturer, minimum PSI, load bearing capacity, the minimum design load bearing capacity of the ManilaBlock, production year, batch, for manufacturing traceability in the event of product recall. All of these features prevent substandard blocks being purchased or mixed with the delivery. Even when the official purchase receipt is lost, it is still possible to trace the supplier of the ManilaBlock. Stacking of the ManilaBlock is simple. With the bottom block firm on the footing, properly plumbed, place the next ManilaBlock on top. The male and female construction joints are designed to align and interlock. Tilting the ManilaBlock will not cause the blocks to separate. It is even possible to lay ManilaBlock horizontally without separation.